like a Hellcat.
What's up guys, your boy Mark with a new video. So guys, आज का जो वीडियो है, I'm installing a new product in my motorcycle, which is a mobile holder, and this is the mobile holder. The mobile holder is Mototech Komodo, which is a Komodo mount, which is a good product. It's a one-time investment. I got it from MRoadies, and it's a good product. So let me show you the product, and then I'll mount it. So guys, this is the Mototech Komodo mount, and I'll open this for you as I have not seen it still. Oh damn, looks good. And it has like, okay, this is for the R15s and stuff, which is just a clip-on. And this is the Mototech mobile holder. It seems a good quality product. Thank you Chintan bhai for suggesting me this. Wow, it's a good mobile holder. As you can see, this is a Mototech, and Mototech products are very good, and I trust them a lot, as they make like riding gears and stuff. So let me just see it. How is it? Wow. Okay, my mobile will go in this, and this is water resistant, and it's easy to be fitted on your mobile holder. And the third thing we get is this is for my motorcycle, which I am going to put this as this is a clip-on. A clip-on means this is for R15s. You just have to put this like R15 CBRs, what type of any type of motorcycles which is like R15 and CBRs. So this is for my motorcycle. And we have one more cute thing, which is this. This is a hook for my, I think so, I don't know, but I think I have to keep it over here and like just mount it over here. So yeah guys, without wasting any time, let's put this on my motorcycle. I can't wait to use it. So yeah, let's go. So yeah guys, I'm ready to mount my new mobile holder, and this is my old mobile holder. It comes with a charger, but this charger was like, it broke, and this charger was already connected with my battery, so my battery was getting drained a lot. So I just don't need this right now, so I'm upgrading myself to Mototech. So guys, let's remove this, and afterwards I'll put the new one. So guys, I've opened up my motorcycle, and this is my battery. So my mobile holder, which was a claw holder, it's called a claw holder, and it comes with a motorcycle charger, means a mobile charger. So the charger's wire is connected to the battery directly. Okay, so it depends on what type of motorcycle you are using. So I have already removed the wires. This is the positive and this is the negative one. As you can see, this is the positive, this is the negative one. So if you have any doubts about this, so you can like, you just have to put this in this one and this in this one, as like this is the red one, so this is the positive red. Okay, so yeah guys, I've already removed the wire. Yeah guys, I've already removed the wire, so you just have to pull it out, and it has already come over here. Okay, so as I said, this is a claw charger. So it is, I have, this is like a clip-on one. Okay, so I have just put it over here with a screw. Okay, so I'll remove the screw and remove this holder, and then I'll put the new one. So yeah guys, I'm going to put this one which is a clip on. So मेरे को actually ये बहुत पसंद आया and it's like movable है. So मैं I'll prefer putting this only for now. So उसके बाद I'll try putting that also in some time. ठीक है. So अभी के लिए let's install this. Let's go. So guys, I'm mounting the both of the clamps because like if I need both of them sometimes. Guys, this is our final product and this is like a movable mobile holder, so it's good. So the final product looks like this. So I'll be having my mobile holder inside this, which it really looks good. It's like I can see it from nearby. So guys, yeah, this is our final product and I've put it over here. So it looks damn awesome and I really love this product. So like you just have to open it from here and like put your mobile inside this case. I'm sorry for the flag. So it's like this. You just have to put your mobile in and then you can move this like this, and then however like it goes like all over it. So you can just, it goes like all over. So yeah, this is the final product in my motorcycle, and I'll be also putting the clip-on too. The clip-on will be I'll be putting the clip-on over here. So guys, stay. So yeah guys, this is the final product. The clip-on is over here and I have added the both of the mounts. So this is for my long drives and this is for my short drives. So I have added a washer over here which will not give a lot of movement in this, so that's better. So I'll put this mobile, my second mobile, in this. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the final product, guys. It looks really amazing. My mobile just got switched off. So what's up, guys? This is the end of the video, and hope you liked this video and got some ideas how to put it on your motorcycle. And the company was Mototech. It's a Komodo mount, which is available with Chintan Bhai. His shop name is MRoadies. I'll put a shop phone number and location in the description, so you can go and get it whenever you want. And guys, it's a one-time investment, so hope you get it. And thank you so much, guys, for supporting me. This is the end of the video. Stay home, stay safe. Do subscribe to my channel. Take care.